Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Leo, channel Levitate Style. In this video, I'm going to be doing a designer shopping haul. The holiday is just around the corner. I've partnered with Farfetch to bring you this designer shopping haul video. Got pieces from some of my favorite designers. We got Gucci, Burberry, Dolce Gabbana, Balenciaga, and Prada. They're all great designer items that won't necessarily break the bank, and I think they're really great for the holiday season. Either get it for yourself or gift it to someone who loves high fashion. Alright, let's jump right into it. Here is the Farfetch box. First up, Gucci. Here we got the Gucci box right here. It comes all nice and wrapped still here. It comes with a Gucci bag, so it's perfect for gifting. It's like you really went to the store, got the whole thing. Everything comes with it. Really one of my favorite designers. I'm actually wearing a Gucci sweater right now. So here we go. Nice. We got the Gucci silk shoe bags. And here it is. So here it is. Here are the Gucci slides that I got. These are $210. For about $200, this is the only shoe item that you can get across all the designers. I wanted something that I can really wear over and over again. You have the classic Gucci red and green stripes over at the top. These are also made in Italy. I got the black one over the white ones because I didn't want it to get dirty. I plan to wear them a lot, wear them outside. So that's why I also got the version with the rugged sole at the bottom. The black ones just look more luxurious, more sleek and sharp. This is definitely more like upscale. Next up we have Dolce Gabbana. So for Dolce Gabbana, I picked up this pair of socks. This is made in Italy. $54, this is the Dolce Gabbana socks. On the one side you have King, and then on the other side you have 1984. At the very top you have D&G. Believe it or not, designer socks are a thing. These are actually the best value designer socks that I found on Farfetch. These go for $54, while a lot of other designer socks are about $90 to $100, even over $100. So I really like these for the price. But I really love this design. Both different on each side, and also the colors are really great. Next we have Balenciaga. This is the Balenciaga Logo Beanie. This Balenciaga Logo Beanie goes for $250. I really love this logo design. They have this on beanie, shirt, sweater, bags. So I think this is a really nice way to own a Balenciaga piece. This beanie is such an essential item to have for the fall and winter season. When it gets so cold out and you're all bundled up, you're covered up in jackets, sometimes it's hard to show your style. And I think like having this, keeping you warm on the top of your head is a really nice way to show your style. Next, we have Prada. From Prada, I picked up this nice burgundy scarf. A scarf is a great item to have for the fall and winter season. Everybody needs it. Subtle and clean. It doesn't scream at you. It has the classic Prada logo at the bottom of the scarf, so depending on how you wear it, you can still see the Prada logo at the bottom. Scarf goes for $210, which I think is a great deal for a designer scarf. This is a nice wool material, also made in Italy. Prada has two different colors in the scarf. There's a black one and there's also this burgundy one. I picked the burgundy because it's a great color to have for the season. A little pop of color for all your holiday and festive looks. Last but not least, everyone's favorite, Burberry. Burberry has always been one of my favorite designers. I mean, Burberry is iconic. I love their classic styles. Recently, they made a comeback with a lot of old school designs, archive logos. Here is the Burberry archive logo T-shirt. Actually, to my surprise, this is a lot nicer than I thought. I thought it was just gonna be a printed logo T-shirt, but actually, all of this is embroidered on the shirt. So you have Burberry in the front, and then you have London, Paris, and New York. This Burberry Logo tee goes for $258. This is definitely my favorite designer logo tees from all the designers I found on Farfetch. Here's another bonus item that I got from Burberry. Ooh, this is nice. This bag is nice. So you got this cloth bag that comes with the wallet. The Burberry 1983 check and leather wallet case. This Burberry leather card case goes for $237. This leather card case is made in Italy. You have Burberry in the front. This is their archive 1983 check pattern. You have this in the front and also in the back. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 card spots in the front and the back. And then for the middle, this is where I usually put my cash. Burgundy is something a little bit different. I think with your wallet, little accessories like that, you can have some fun with it, show your personality. So the burgundy is a little unexpected, so I really love that. I'm also a big fan of red, and the burgundy really matches with the red design on the pattern really well. And this color just reminds me of the fall and the winter season. So I think this is really great to kind of swap out and just use that for this time of the year. I also really love this classic clean design. You can definitely use this years and years after, and it will never go out of style. Also on the back, you can see the Burberry logo within the check pattern. This is such a great holiday designer gift item. We have 6 items from this haul. I would love to know which is your favorite, going from Burberry to Dolce Gabbana, Prada, Balenciaga, Gucci. Which one of these items is your favorite? I also put the link in the description of all these items. Hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe if you haven't already. Happy holidays in advance. Thank you guys for watching.